In a softly lit nursery, Maya notices a tiny itch on her nose and tilts her head with a curious grin. She wiggles, pokes her nose, and bursts into a sunny sneeze that sends her giggles rolling across the carpet. Today she dons a pastel onesie emblazoned with "Hit the hay," hinting at bedtime magic and gentle dreams. When she tumbles playfully on the floor, Maya treats it as a game, turning the tumble into a cozy bedtime practice. The episode centers on how the playful wind-down moment connects with comfort, curiosity, and a hopeful heart.